So I just bought this today. I'm going to show you the inside. The first load of laundry I did was 2 blankets that were full size. I didn't add enough water the first time, so it didn't seem like it was sloshing water around. I used, I believe, medium amount of water. This time I used between medium and large, and I have maybe 10 articles of clothing, t-shirts, a couple of pairs of shorts, some underwear, socks. Seems like it's working a lot better washing the clothes. I'm not sure if you can tell from the video, but you can see dirty water inside the basin. That knocking noise you hear is the dryer. I've got one of the blankets in the dryer right now, and it makes an awful lot of noise when it's spinning around. But that's okay, I guess. It's not doing any harm to the machine. Once that's finished, I'll show you what the inside of it looks like. Again, I did 2 blankets, but only dried 1 blanket at a time. I'll show you the size of the blanket. And that's doubled over in half. So it's a good sized blanket. And the second one is the same size that's in the dryer right now. When the dryer is operable, you cannot lift up the lid to see it spinning, or it shuts it off. The washer obviously will work with the lid open. It only gives you 15-minute cycles. 15 minutes or less, I should say. I've had it on both times on the 15-minute cycle. The dryer only allows for 5 minutes, but again, you can just turn that back on and dry it again for another 5 minutes, or another 5 minutes after that. The first blanket, the smaller blanket I did, is like a baby blanket size. That dried almost to the point where it's dry. The larger blanket shown here, I squeezed out because there was really a lot of water in that. The washing machine does not suck out the water. It just agitates and drains. This should be almost done drying. I'm going to turn the knob to turn it off, because like I said, I've had it on, it turned off by itself. So here's that. You have to lift these handles up one at a time. This needs to be in the dryer on the top of the clothing. I'm not sure what it actually does, but it spins around in there. So this is actually pretty darn dry. The other one, not so much. Maybe I'll stick that in and spin it again, but that's a full-size blanket right there. Pretty dry. Can't wait to do my other loads. I'm excited. I'm using this in a campsite on an RV deck. So this is going to be perfect, so we don't have to run to the laundry anymore.